We talk about having separate bank accounts for different purposes. So specifically, we're going to talk about a spend account versus a bill account. So let's just use some real life examples. Maybe you know that you're one that's prone to having the busted tire, the extra expense that pops up here and there. So that's what we talk about. You want to have your oh shit fund. Then maybe you have a spending account for, I absolutely love to have time with my friends. We go out to eat every Friday. That's our thing. We get each other drinks at Sonic every week and we take turns. So I want to have that money put aside. That's a spend account. You make one that's specifically for those type of items. You purposely make an account for what you plan to spend it on.